today we're going to be making the ultimate nacho.
What is up guys, we're here back with another video, and in this video we'll be unboxing the HP Probook. Let me see the model. It's the HP Probook 450 Generation 5. I'm shooting this video with the Nikon D7500. I unboxed in my last video. So anyways, let's get on with it. Let's just cut this part out. We're in the box. Intel inside, you can see it over there. First things first, let's take out the laptop. It's stuck or something. Rough shipping, I guess. Okay, let's just get this out. Ooh, I'm gonna set this aside for a minute and we'll just check what else is inside the box. Let's throw this aside. Trash, all trash. I don't know what this is, let's just throw it out. And then we have the charger. And that's about it, I guess. We're empty in the box, no instruction manual. I guess they don't come for laptops. Here's the charger. It's a standard 240 volt charger. It's a 3-pin plug. Put this aside. Let's come to the real thing. We get some nice cushioning on the sides. Removing the bubble wrap. Okay, I've already unboxed this, but I decided to make a video, so I repacked it. It doesn't look that good, but it works. Okay, here it is. It feels a little sturdy, not very heavy, but it like fulfills what it looks like, good enough. Like you can carry it around, good screen size. Nice little wedge for opening it. It comes with the Core i5 8th generation. Like it's an 8250 I guess. And it also has an NVIDIA GeForce MX 930 2GB with graphics card. Like good enough. It's like a laptop for everyday use, like student laptop or probably a business laptop. Not very good on the gaming side, but works. Anyways, let's get on with opening it. Let's open it up. Okay, it'll take a while for us to set it up, so we'll get on with that and then we'll come back to you. So after the unboxing, I set up the laptop and downloaded a few apps and Fortnite to see how well it runs. Without further ado, let's get on with it. This is the BIOS password. It's also got a fingerprint scanner, hence Windows Hello. Now let's launch Fortnite. I have the FPS locked at 59, at 60 FPS, hence it's not exceeding 60 FPS. I'll unlock it and show it to you. Okay, so let's drop in a solo match just to show the FPS. First I'll show you the graphics settings. Like I kept it at the stock display resolution 1366x768. And I've locked it to 60 FPS. For the other graphical settings, I've set it on manual. I set the view distance on epic because it affects your gameplay. The shadows off, anti-aliasing off, textures low, effects low, post-processing low, motion blur off. So just so it could give you better frames. And I've also set 3D resolution at max 100%. And I've locked it 60 FPS. Let's jump in match. So I've dropped in the waiting area, and as you guys are seeing, I'm getting 30 frames. No wonder shit's that bad. The FPS you're seeing is low because I'm recording and the FPS monitor is running. Otherwise you get a solid 60 FPS on these settings. The stuttering you're seeing is due to the low internet due to the bad internet, I'm getting a very high ping. Otherwise, it's pretty smooth. And I'm about to die. I'm about to die. There's a dude in front of me. Oh, he ignored me. Oh, there are people. Why are they not killing me? What the hell? Don't kill me! Don't kill me! No! Wee. Okay, I'm dying of the fall damage. Please spare me. Anyways, otherwise you get 60 FPS if you're not recording. A solid 60 FPS on the settings, and if you uncap it, you get up to 80 frames. If you higher the settings, you can probably get 60 frames on a little better settings, such as if you turn shadows to medium or textures to medium, you still get 60 FPS. Anyways, let's return to the lobby. As you can see, the stuttering was due to the bad ping. I was getting around 1600 milliseconds ping. Anyways, if you can handle, if you play only medium games such as Fortnite or PUBG Mobile or games like Call of Duty, Black Ops 4, it will run it smooth enough on 720p medium settings. The card, 2 GBs of VRAM is good enough. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, and peace. Anyways,